Hello guys, this is Martin here from Blackpool Automart. Here we have a lovely Ford Focus ST-Line, just arrived into stock, 2017 in black, just arrived literally today. It has got a bit of a couple of war wounds on it, which are going to get done. A little scuff there, as you can see on the bumper. We're going to get that sorted by our body shop, which is over there, and there's a scuff on the back bumper as well that we need to sort out, which is there just above the wheel. That's going to get done again by our body shop just across the road. But apart from those two bits, which we'll do, it's a nice looking car. It's literally just landed into us. It's not been in stock long at all. Just while I'm out here, I'll probably tell you a bit about our company. We're called the Cox Motor Group, although we're Automart. Our parent company is the Cox Motor Group. You can go online, check our reviews. You can also leave a deposit on the car online if you want. It's only £100 and it's subject to you viewing the car, so that might be of interest to you. We also do a free delivery service, UK mainland, and we offer fantastic finance packages as well. So even if you've got finance on your current vehicle, we can settle that for you and start you with a new agreement. So we've been doing it a long time, we're very good at it. So yeah, let us know if you've got any money owing on your car. If you can get that settlement prior to you ringing us, that would speed things up a lot quicker. Anyway, back to the Focus ST-Line. Like I say, it's a 2017 manual, 6-speed, 2 keys, great service history. It's got quite a lot of spec, which I'll show you when we get in the vehicle. Alloys are very nice on this, like I don't know what colour they are, like a gunmetal grey. They're all in good order. Like I say, a couple of little scuffs on this car. There's one down there as well that we're going to sort. Can you see that at the bottom? That's going to get done. Anyway, let's get in the car. It's a little, the mileage is a little bit over 60,000, so it's done 60,500 miles. You can just about see it on the dashboard there. Lucky windows at the front, lucky mirrors, nice red stitching on the seats. Seats are all in very good order. Height adjuster on the driver's seat. Like I say, it's a 6-speed manual. And it's got some nice spec. It's keyless, so you just have the push button start button over here that you can see. I'll press that, we'll get going. Keys are in my hand, clutch in, and off we go. Sat nav it's got, which is good. Touch screen. It's due a service, it's telling me on the speedo, so that's fine, we understand that. So we'll be servicing it and MOTing it before it leaves. There's the navigation, nice big screen, and it's all touch screen on these. You've got Bluetooth in there and everything. Quite a nice setup is the nav screen on these. A 12-volt feed there, and there's a USB port under there. It's not been cleaned, this car, just bear that in mind. It's not been valeted yet, so if you see bits of dirt, it won't be like that if you buy the vehicle. It'll go through a proper full detailing. So yeah, car is lovely. It's like I say, it's just here, it's just arrived, it's just come into stock. We've virtually not touched it other than washed it. All the back seats are in very good order. It's got Isofix in the back seats, as you can see by the little logos at the bottom of the base. 3 headrests, parcel shelf, decent sized boot, centre armrest, another centre armrest, little thing here for your cup holder, a couple of cups in there. And it comes with obviously Bluetooth, as I've mentioned to you, sat nav, DAB radio, which is all good, and a 6-speed manual gearbox. This is the diesel variant, by the way, as you can tell, or you've read all the spec before you'd looked at the video. I'll just switch her off now. I'll just nip outside and finish. So yeah, nice car all round. Sorry about the camera movement there, it's hard to get out of a car without the camera wobbling around a bit. Just so you know, we're, like I said to you earlier, we're part of a large company called the Cox Motor Group. We're a family run business, local, Lancaster is our head office. We have 16 dealerships across the northwest of the UK. We've got Honda, quite a lot of Honda dealers, quite a lot of Seat dealers, 5 Automarts, Automart being the non-franchise of our business, and we've got Volkswagen, Mitsubishi as well, up in Morecambe and Lancaster. So, you know, we are a large group, but we're not massive corporate, we are family run. So we try and do things a little bit more simpler. We send you videos, we can talk to you about videos, we can send you a new, if you want to look at something specific on a car, give us a ring and we'll send you a video of that. These are, this video I'm doing now is obviously to the masses, but if you wanted me to send you a more personalised one, looking at certain areas on the car, I wouldn't mind doing that one bit. So just let me know. Like I said to you earlier, we're offering a delivery service that's free at the moment, which is good. We offer reservations on all our cars on coxmotorgroup.com, because we've only got one of these. So if you want it, and you want it subject to you viewing it, by all means go onto our website and leave the £100 deposit. And if you come and the car's not right, you don't like it, it's totally refundable, so you've nothing to lose. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you with that. That's the Focus ST, 60,500 miles. Nice looking car. It's the ST-Line, so it's got all the spec of the ST but not got the performance engine. It's the standard diesel engine in this. Lovely looking car. A couple of little bits on it that need doing. Like I said, we'll sort that. It'll get serviced and it will get MOT'd as well. Anyway guys, my name's Martin. It's my pleasure to bring you this lovely car today, and hopefully we'll hear from you in the not too distant future. Take care guys. Bye for now.